democracies do survive when people who are in positions of power have to account for gross violations of the law. And in fact, one of the things that is true about democracies is that they only really survive when no one is above the law. If there's a particular political class, if there are sort of dual systems, there's one group of people that constantly benefit and one group of people who are constantly disadvantaged in the way that the law treats them. It's very hard to argue that that is a system that is going to persist as a qualitative democracy. And in fact, this is part of the reason why so few political scientists who study kind of democratic regime type would call the United States a democracy until 1965, is because of the incredible differences in the way that the legal system would operate depending on one's race. And we should say that that's still true in a lot of respects. For countries to be sustainable democracies, they need to deal with the inequities in the way that the rule of law is applied over time. It needs to get better and better, not worse and worse, where there's increased stratification for around to whom the law applies and who is immune from it.